Everybody, my name is Shiobann, and this is Every Shade of Purple. And today we have a new wig. I only like to open up new wigs when I got somewhere to go, and I got somewhere to go, so I'm about to open up this new wig that I got, everybody. It is not typically the style of wig that I would go for, but guess what? It was on sale. Got a new wig. It was on sale. You ever see a wig that you're like, that's not typical Shiobann? It's because it's on sale. I think it was like $12 or $13 off the ebonyline. Anyway, this is called Acacia High Heat Resistant Fiber by Outré. Quick weave, complete cap, combs for security, and all that good stuff. I have a big head, so hopefully it goes on my head. A comb in the front and a comb in the back. I'm gonna need these wigs to start having combs somewhere else. I need them on the sides because what the? Okay, so what's up, my East short hair? Girl, we're gonna have to do big hair today. Let me go get my comb. That we live by. I be reppin' Jersey, got his gang till I die. Yeah. New year, who this? New phone, who this? New year, who this? New phone, who this? Steady stay on my grind. I ain't wasting no time. Since you trying to front, leave that bullshit behind. New year, who this? Okay, so for me already, this is so, I don't know. New phone, who this? Do I have a shaped face for this? What y'all think? I don't know. Okay, let's see. I saw somebody do something like this where they kind of threw it back a little bit. I definitely like it better like this than with the bang. Just.
I don't know what I think. I think it's a good wig. It's good hair, and it fits my hair pretty tightly.
Okay, so I feel really weird, but I think it's cute. I just don't, I just don't wear short hair. But I think it is cute. Definitely better fluffy. What if okay. So this hair, ooh, that's kind of cute. I don't know if it'll stay on unless I put some hairspray. I really don't like to put products in my wigs, and I probably should. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. I think this is cute, and I just came up with this on my own. There we go. Comb to the, I like this. Oh, yes. Yes, man. Oh my God. I did not come to play with you all. This is cute for $12. For $12, honey. Oh my, or 11. I don't remember what it was. I'm gonna put it in the bio. But yes, I like it now. Okay, so when you get this, what you need to do is you do the little comb front thing. Well, I mean, you could wear it with the bangs, but well, I'm messing this up. Just leave it alone. I suppose, see, that's the thing. I'm gonna have to carry a comb in my bag because I'm gonna want it to be perfect. I want it to be like messy perfect. Where you look like you wasn't trying to do it, but you did it. Like that. Yes. Yes, everything, honey. Okay, so if you find this Acacia wig on sale and you like your head in short hair, and even if you don't think you do, I think it is worth it to get it because this shit is fire. Once again, yes, why not? A couple dollars, even if it's like 15, this is like worth it. Even own hairspray, but if I did, then I might just hairspray it so it stays like this. But I'm just gonna let it do what it do, and I'm cool with it. My friend is now calling the Uber, so I'm about to go, but I'm about to go and fillet Hey, can see my pants. That means I can wear this outfit again. Yes. See you later, Toodaloo. Thank you for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and comment if you're nice. Miss Shiobann if you're nasty. Bye.
I ain't wasting no time. Since you're trying to front, leave that bullshit behind. Remember, the pussy has power. Each one is on delicate flower. Use your gifts to empower. Don't let these niggas devour. They'll get up and bone, moan, groan. Only worry about their own. So close up the shot, get ready to pop. Girl, just get up on your throne. Why would I let you inside?
No tutu.
The shit we see in Hollywood.
I know.
We walking the goats.
This dog is. I keep calling the dog. My dog is a dog.
We just chilling with the goats.